Once your profile setup is complete, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. From here, you can make bookings through either the hospitals page or the packages page. On the hospitals page, you can browse through our partnered hospitals, select your preferred branch, explore available healthcare packages, and proceed with your booking. On the packages page, you can view healthcare packages offered by different hospitals. You can also use filters to quickly find packages based on your preferences and healthcare needs. By selecting View Details, you'll get complete information about the package, including tests and services included. You can then choose the member, schedule the appointment at your convenience, and continue with the booking process. You may either proceed directly to payment or add multiple packages to your cart and complete the payment together. On the checkout page, you can review your bookings and make secure online payments with ease. Once the payment is successful, your booking will be confirmed instantly. A unique booking ID will be generated, and you can also download the payment receipt for future reference. Inside the booking details section, you'll be able to track your booking status, view the process timeline, and access all related information in one place. And if you need any assistance at any stage, our support team is always available to help you.